this module, we are going to look deeper into the web scraping, and we will explore the following terms related to web scraping. And to scrap any website or HTML inside the C#.NET, we will need to install the following NuGet package. So let's create a simple console application and then simply right click on the solution and click on the Manage NuGet package and search for HTML Agility Pack and simply install in your project. Well, for the sake of clarity, I have chosen the console application because we need to explore web scraping from scratch. Once we have a good understanding of web scraping, we will simply shift to the Xamarin Forms application. Don't worry, as we move forward in this course, I will explain each and every single step of web scraping inside the Xamarin Forms application and will create a complete dynamic application via web scraping. But in this module, our focus is on the console application so that we can easily pick new things. We will start our journey in the next video.